Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good garlic bread. Very easy to do. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we want 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, some salt, sugar, some extra olive oil, virgin olive oil right there. Okay, last I want to put one package of yeast. Okay, we're going to put 1.5 cups of water, and we're going to give this a good mix, at the very least. Okay, we're going to. Okay, now it's time to. I kind of knead it a little bit. Okay. Next we're going to put this into the bowl. Right there. Okay, we're going to work on the garlic now. I'm going to cut this in half. Okay, first thing I want to add in is the garlic clovers. And then I want to add in a half a stick of butter with a little bit of virgin olive oil extra, and then I want to use some parsley flakes and give us a good mix. Okay, that's where we're going to start. Good enough. Okay, the easiest way to do this is just to go around and you get it all. Okay, we're now gonna put our garlic all over this. Okay. Next, I want to put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top of this. Okay, next, I want to put a little bit of cheddar cheese on top and give it a little bit of color. Okay, last, I want to grate a little bit of Parmesan over this. Gotta have a lot of Parmesan cheese on this. Okay, I just now pulled that out of the oven. Oh my god, that smells so good. Alright, take a look at that. Look at these nice good garlic bread. I'm gonna take a bite of this. Oh my god, that's so delicious. That is so good. That's delicious. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all had one today. Well, I'm going to dig into this.